Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Are you feeling hot? Are you tired of cooking, but you're still craving something amazing? Well, forget your boring salads. Welcome to this game-changing meal we're going to be creating. Flavor-popping, vibrant, and it will surely become your new favorite for summer, complete with a sauce. I'm really excited to get started and, of course, enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, we have our collard greens, our cauliflower we're going to use, our long radicchio, our microgreens, carrot and lime, our garlic and ginger, some radishes, an Asian pear, and our Ying Ying soy food gourmet tofu, the curry flavor. We have our organic peanut butter and tahini, our tamari, our pre-cooked beets, and light coconut milk. For our sauce, I'm using a half a cup of our organic unsweetened peanut butter. I'm adding a quarter cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of our tamari, and I'm going to juice 1 lime. And we'll add the lime juice to the mix. I'm adding our coconut milk now. And I needed a bigger bowl to mix this all up, adding some more coconut milk. I've added a total of a half a cup of coconut milk. I'm adding a tablespoon of maple syrup, and I'm going to microplane some ginger and garlic. 2 teaspoons each should be enough. You may like to add a little water to thin it out. We want to be able to pour it, but we don't want it to be too runny. I'm going to grate up some carrots now. And I'm slicing up our radishes. I'll slice our long radicchio into strips. And we'll slice up some red onion. With our cauliflower, we want to start from the base, cut out the core. And we're just going to slice it up. I'm going to cut our Asian pear into mash strips. Feel free to use the yucca if it's available. We're going to remove the thicker portion of the stems from our collard greens. We'll just slice along the leaf, being mindful not to cut into the leaf. Collard greens is from the species Brassica oleracea. Kale, broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are their powerhouse cousins. Collard greens are a good source of calcium, they have antioxidant properties, and 1 cup provides your full dose of vitamin K, which is great for the bones and helps with blood clotting as well. I'm slicing up our pre-cooked beets. This is our optional part. You may like to blanch the collards. This will make them more pliable. It's up to your preference or mood. This was my mood. These greens will totally work without any cooking. With this tofu, it's ready to go. There's no need to cook it or heat it up. Now it's time to assemble our collard green wraps. Refer to the description if you get confused about the fillings. It's hard not to overdo it, but the more you add, the tougher it's going to be to roll up. While the sandwich wrap as we know it today might seem modern, the concept of using flexible flatbread or a large leaf to hold and eat a melange of fillings is an ancient global tradition. Ancient Greeks would enjoy some pita bread, and in Mesoamerica they would use corn husks to make tamales. And as for those tortillas, they go back 10,000 BCE. In Mesoamerica, these were essential and portable ways to eat. By participating in making something like this, you are taking part in a delicious culinary lineage. People have been wrapping it up for thousands of years. So what are you waiting for? Come on and get wrapping with me! Start to roll up your wrap, holding in the filling. About midway through, fold in the sides and continue rolling. Feel free to add herbs of your choice, some spice. As you can see, these wraps were fully stuffed, and I found it easier to roll up from the shorter portion than it was the longer portion. So there you have it, you got your collard green wrap. You may like to cut it in half so you can see what's inside. and it's time to plate it. Add some more microgreens. We're just using our radishes on the side, and we're good to go. It's that time again, everyone. It's time to try our delicious collard green wrap. Of course, we have our delicious sauce to go with it. Try not to make a mess. I'm gonna dip it into our sauce. Whoop. I think I dipped it a little too much. It's gonna be a little messy to start with. I'm loving all the beautiful flavor combinations here. Nice and refreshing. Got that beautiful curry flavor from our tofu, beautiful creaminess here with the hummus and the peanut flavor. Got some sweet and savory going on. Wonderful. A pro tip for you, if you don't like to do a lot of prep work all in one shot, feel free to do some prep work the night before. And also, the good thing about that is you can have a lot of different chopped up items ready to go for other meals as well. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious summer recipe to keep you going through any heat or hot flashes. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!